folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah. Today I'm here to do a technical overview for you guys on the MBS Olympia Cookstove right here. This is going to be this stacked model, having a footprint of 18.5 inches on the cooktop, and with the railing included, it's going to be 23 inches from side to side on your width. Your depth of your cooktop is 22 inches and 24.5 inches from the rear to the front railing. Now this is going to be a rear vent cook stove, so you will start with the T out the back of the stove. The oven on this model, as you can see, it's pretty narrow. It comes in at about 10 inches wide. So checking your baking pans to make sure that they're gonna fit is definitely something you're gonna wanna do. The unit does come standard with one enamel pan that can also be used as a baking pan itself inside the oven here. So keep that in mind, but otherwise you'd want to take that measurement. Your depth inside your oven is going to be 16 inches, so it is pretty long there. Now inside your firebox, it's going to be a complete cast iron lined firebox with a cast iron grate at the bottom. You do have an ash pan below. You have your two damper controls, which is going to be your primary air located here at the bottom, which brings in the combustion air from the bottom. Your secondary air control, also known as your air wash at the top, which helps keep your glass nice and clean. Your total length inside the firebox up to this log stopper here in the front is going to be 14 inches. So you do want to make sure that that's going to be an appropriate log length if your wood has already been cut. This is the soapstone blue-gray color. It is 4 vertical panels on the side of the stove, the nice wraparound collar. Your flue outlet is located on the back. It is a 4-inch metric flue in Europe. There is a 6-inch cast iron flue collar to adapt you inside the stove here. This is going to be your cooktop. You do just have one removable kicking lid above the oven. Back here is going to be your oven clean out area to access around. Your oven door is going to be fully gasketed. Inside your oven is going to be a porcelain enamel lining. This is the goodies that comes with it. Basically, it's your flue collar, a lifter to be able to remove the lids there, and a scraper tool for cleaning purposes, as well as an enamel pan for the baking. Your firebox door is also fully gasketed. Inside is going to be your cast iron lining on each side, and then the bottom grate inside the stove. Located here at the very bottom is going to be your ash pan. It is enamel finish instead of painted, which is nice and makes it easier for overall clean out. This lever here is going to slide your grate back and forth there. A little bit of adjustment. This is your secondary damper control, which is bringing your air wash in to keep your glass clean. You can also bring air in the bottom. This is your primary, which is going to bring air in from underneath the firebox. You want that open when you are starting the fire, but definitely for the longest burn times, make sure that one is closed. So overall, this is going to be sold as a coal cook stove. There are no issues with burning wood in this model. However, with EPA regulations, this model is labeled and going to be sold as coal. In Serbia, where the product is imported from, it's sold as a wood-coal combination unit. So this is your technical overview on the Olympia Cookstove. If you guys like my videos, don't forget, give me that thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. God bless, have a wonderful day.